What if culture could do more than inspire? What if it could unite? Over 6 months, almost 1,200 artists took part in more than 200 events across 30 European countries, sharing stories, music, movement, and vision, from grand concert halls to intimate galleries, from classical to experimental. This was Europe seen through the eyes of its artists. We brought together dancers and designers, filmmakers and illustrators, writers and conductors, not just to perform, but to start conversations, to build trust, to show that creativity knows no borders. And at the heart of it all were people, audiences discovering Polish art, friendships born across languages and borders, and bonds that will shape the future of European culture. This was more than a celebration. It was a commitment to freedom, to solidarity, to a shared European imagination. Culture sparks unity.